Epicflows production.
Epicflows!
Yeah! Winford, big up yourself in the baller. Thanks to really bring me up on the show right now via video chat, you know. And as things would go and times would pass, I see him some of Mackerel use the video chat too, you know. Every day. You see me? Until we plan, so we are going to meet up this one afternoon. And we meet up and I say, yeah! But when girl come down, girl favor cockroach, you see me, so I say, no sir, Mackerel can't take me. Yeah man, so she get vexed. I say, no sir, boy, you can't take me, you see me. But she never did get it.
Me did I get it?
Winford, she never did get it. She a try to take me and I say, no sir, you can't take me, you see me. Ask her if you think I lie, me I tell. Ask her if you think I lie, me I tell.
Me did just want love, me not tell nobody no lie.
Winford, I know love alone she want. She want money, she want care, she want lip gloss, she want ear, everything she want, Winford. No sir, me say not with me, you see me. She can't take any man she want, cause them nice and comfortable, but she can't take me. You see me? She can't take this and comfort you. You see me, Winford? Watch out. Winford, that's how she dramatic, make Mackerel run down go on.
Epicflows, yeah.
Epicflows production.
Radekal and Epicflows. Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Yeah!